Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to install Linux on your Chromebook safely and correctly. Before starting, make sure your Chromebook is updated to the latest Chrome OS version because Linux support depends on having a recent update. First, open your Chromebook settings by clicking the time in the bottom right corner and selecting the gear icon. In the left menu, look for Advanced, then click on Developers. You should see an option called Linux Development Environment, also known as Christini. Click Turn On. A setup window will appear. Press Next, choose how much disk space you want to allocate to Linux, and then click Install. Your Chromebook will now download and set up the Linux container. This process may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once it's finished, a terminal window will open automatically. This confirms Linux has been installed successfully. Now you can start installing Linux apps using terminal commands. For example, you can type sudo apt update to update packages, or install software like LibreOffice or GIMP using apt install. Linux apps will appear in your app launcher, just like regular Chromebook apps. If you ever want to remove Linux, simply go back to Settings, Developers, and turn off the Linux environment. And that's it. You now have Linux running directly on your Chromebook. Subscribe the channel for more videos.